Okay, good afternoon, kids. Our lesson this afternoon is all about do, does, and did. This topic is one of the most basic topic in English grammar. But still, daghan pa Japan ang naglibo kung saan paggamit ang do, does, and did sa sentences. This time, I am going to teach you and listen to my explanation because after this, I'm going to give you a quiz. Now, what is the meaning of verb do as the main verb do? We use do as an action verb, meaning buhaton. For example, I will do my homework. In a sentence, do meaning buhaton nako akong assignment. In a sentence, do is an action verb. Now, do also a helping verb. In this lesson, kung saan man nato paggamit ang helping verb? First, make a negative sentences. For example, I don't like her. We use don't to make negative, and like is the main verb. Now, kanusta man nato gamiton ang do, does, and did? If your subject is plural, meaning more than one. For example, friends with S. So, more than one. Atong gamiton ang do, of course. We use do for a subject of I, you, we, and they. Ano ang subject pronoun nga gitawag nato? We use does if the subject is singular. Second, we use do to make questions. For example, do you like her? Ang question nag-start of do. Ang main verb is like. Do you like her? Gigamit po nato ang do to emphasize your main verb. For example, I do love you. Ang main verb is love. And do is nagpapakita kung gaano kita kamahal. I do love you. Now, we use does if the subject is singular, meaning isa lang. For example, friend, one friend, or the subject, he, she, and it. We use he for a boy, she for a girl, and it for animal or object. Gamito na to ang do and does if our sentence is simple present tense. So, present tense na siya. Ang did naman ay gigamit nato sa tanan subject singular or plural. Pwede nato gamiton ang did pero dapat gamiton nato if our sentence is the simple past tense. Okay, so understand?